In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off private account on TikTok. This is useful if you want more people to discover your content, follow you without needing approval, and generally make your profile easier to find and view. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own device. First, open TikTok and go to your profile dashboard. To do this, simply tap on the profile icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen on mobile, or in the sidebar if you're on desktop. Once you're on your profile page, you should see your profile picture, bio, and your posted videos. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where you want to change the privacy settings. Next, look at the left-hand side of the screen or the main menu and click on the option labeled More. This is where TikTok keeps additional settings and tools that are not shown directly on your profile. Clicking on More will open a panel with several different sections related to your account. From this panel, find and click on General. The General section is where you'll find broad settings that affect how your account behaves, including privacy options. Give the page a second to load, and then look carefully for the privacy settings within this area. Now, look for the option that says Private Account. Next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. If your account is currently private, that toggle will be turned on. To turn off your private account, simply click or tap on that toggle so that it switches off. When you do this, TikTok will change your account from private to public. This means anyone can view your profile and content without needing your approval as a follower. After you switch the toggle off, TikTok may show you a confirmation prompt. This is to make sure you understand that your content will now be visible to a wider audience. When this prompt appears, click on Confirm. This final step saves your change and officially turns off the private account setting. Once you've confirmed, your profile is now public. You can double check by returning to the same general section and making sure the private account toggle is off. That's all you need to do to turn off a private account on TikTok.